Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will ensure that you can safely and effectively replace your keyboard without damaging any components. First, power off your ASUS TUF F15 and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by unscrewing the screws holding it in place. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe location for reassembly. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws. After all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Once the bottom panel is off, you will see the internal components of the laptop. It's a good practice to clean this area to prevent dust accumulation. A can of compressed air is perfect for this task, ensuring you blow out any dust from the fans and heatsinks. Remember, a clean laptop runs more efficiently. Now, locate the keyboard ribbon cable connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the locking mechanism on the connector. If you're unsure about this step, consider seeking a professional diagnosis without obligation to avoid potential damage. With the ribbon cable disconnected, you can now remove the keyboard. It is typically secured with several screws on the back. Make sure to remove these screws and any additional clips that might be holding the keyboard in place. Once the keyboard is free, take a moment to inspect the area for any additional dust or debris. This is an excellent opportunity to ensure everything is clean before installing the new keyboard. If you don't have the tools or confidence to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get professional help without the hassle of travel. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the mounting points on the laptop. Secure it by replacing the screws you removed earlier and reconnect the ribbon cable back to the motherboard. Ensure that the locking mechanism is firmly in place to prevent any disconnections. After securing the keyboard, reattach the bottom panel of the laptop. Make sure to press down along the edges to ensure all clips are properly engaged. Then, replace the screws that you took out earlier to hold the bottom panel securely. Lastly, reinsert the battery and power on your ASUS TUF F15. Check to see if the new keyboard is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you get the best service possible without any unexpected costs. This way, you can have peace of mind knowing exactly what to expect. As you can see, replacing the keyboard on the ASUS TUF F15 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and precautions, you can ensure that your laptop is back in perfect working condition in no time. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.